This man is Ruranazor, a pirate hunter. And this is Luffy, a pirate who forced Zoro to become a pirate with him. And later on, Ruranazor accepted his invitation to become a pirate with him. But when he crushed against the strongest swordsman, he was defeated. He accepted that he was defeated by the strongest and made a promise to his captain.
Never again. From now to become the greatest swordsman. I'll never lose again!